Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? Smash you up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK race. Smash you up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, it has long past speculation. Remember earlier in the year when the teacher said, wait, what some artists do? Buy views. With the latest story on the GIG pages, go and buy views and block my views on a career still local. Meaning, say, when I see an international artist, I reach out for features, for collaborations, even though them are purchase views and have videos at the view count at over 1 million for songs where the quality they even did it. But we still not see it benefit them career. Them career still local. Meaning, say, only people from the community are fans that are based locally, even concerned if them are drop new tracks. Him continue to say, go and do it till we find out how a ramp with the city. Now, viewers and subscribers must feel like the algorithm owes an explanation, especially Vybz Kartel. The teacher's Vivo page is the leading dancehall Vivo page, local and internationally. And that is a fact. That's not up for question. Nobody now wonder if I say it go. We all know, so when the teacher drop a track, every other artist Vivo page they on pause until the dancehall and international music stakeholders and the people who are interested in the music overall, because so are going with the teacher new track. Now, I have seen with my own eyes a track. I think it was just the official audio, not the music video. I must see the view count at 1 million. I must stay some bun on my herb and hold my vibe. Listen to the song. Go back to what I do. Forward again, so me I build up another herb. I see how the song of vibe. Drop my listen back to the song again. I must see the video now at 900 plus. Keep in mind, I just tell us I'm just probably about an hour or 45 minutes before me that streamed the track, and it was at the 1 million view mark, and within 45 minutes the views are go the other way. Now, some people are saying that first and foremost, for the people who buy views, I have noticed that I never see the views go away. So something wrong when you see a Vybz Kartel track at the 1 million mark and then you see the numbers depleted. I have seen the subscriber count also being depleted, and I go back the very next day because the same track in question, after I see it there 900 plus, people are still streaming the track. So before the next 2 to 3 hours, I see it at the 1 million mark again. Now somebody needs to give you an explanation for what take place, because clearly, as what the teacher said, something not going on with the views on the Vivo page. Why is the teacher the leading streaming artist on the YouTube platform while the views are being depleted? How come? I will not say just because some other artists' videos are at the 1 million mark. We don't care which mark them video there. We only question why our views are being depleted. That's the question we have put forward. That's the same question the teacher put forward too. Him says, as a matter of fact, go and do it. Him Dave not tell them to stop. Him say, no, go and do what you do. You don't feel like it don't feel like it help on a career, but in the endeavors are failing miserably. And we the fans know this for a fact. Because majority of these artists, no matter how much views them song get, the streets now use them. We know what going on worldwide, so no artist is being booked currently. So why would you be uploading or releasing your tracks on digital platforms and then pay for views? Pay per view? I don't understand this. And you are the artist. You not defeating no oneself. Because if your aim is to grow and grow a career, But it's not just locally but also internationally. Buying views is one thing. Having a video with a lot of views is one aspect of music. What about putting out good music? What about creating a fan base so that you don't have to buy music? Well, I want to feel like a track can be released and the teacher have over 1 million plus subscribers on him Vivo page. But at the same time, people are telling them nah receive no notification. And the truth, come go live and people are telling me say the notification never forward in about the live until the live had ended. So I don't know if it's just a thing where them are plot against Gaza Nation overall. And with notifications them now get sent out. So people I say yo, I must something go on with the viewer, something go on with the ray. No, at the same time, it has been published. Whether it be a video, official audio, the content is published. The algorithm is supposed to send out the notifications. We don't know if this is being done purposefully or it's just a kink in the algorithm where them need for iron out. We don't know. But we are putting the question forward. Not just the fans. Fans know this for a fact. Numerous supporters of the nation. Numerous supporters of dancehall overall. People who claim to them not pick no side. Which we know say one nation of dancehall music. When they hear a man say not pick no side, him just now want to go up on the offensive for the nation. But a nation him say. But regardless, them say them notice that tracks that were trending should have been at a different view count. Some people have noticed that the view count was at one number. And then after refreshing it, the views were depleted. It's almost like them view itself never count and they are still currently streaming the track or the video. We need some form of clarification. As you know, it's an official Vivo page. So we have sent out numerous messages. We're not going to say email. Why? We have sent out numerous messages. And the response is always a cryptic response. Is this on? Maybe they haven't turned on the bell to get the notification. That is very important. Make sure, say, for all of you have subscribed to the teacher, mine, Bless the Virtual, Love Lane, Fame, 10 Star, Pineapple, you name them. Remember to turn on the bell. Click the bell so that the notification can be sent in. Because the algorithm and those in charge of sending us a response is always going to tell us first and foremost that maybe they did not turn on their push notification. That is what the bell represents. It represents a push notification. A push notification means a message will be pushed forward to your device, telling you that or letting you know that content has been uploaded so you can go stream and check it out. So for people who have not turned on the bell for a particular channel that they have subscribed to, it will always show up as just that light or that red dot right above the subscription icon, or right above where the word subscription is located when you visit the platform. But that's not enough to send you a notification. Without turning on the bell, the push notification will not be sent. So this is very key. That is very important when we talk about those who have subscribed, the supporters of the nation. But nobody feel like we're unaware. Nobody feel like the teacher himself unaware. We saw what going on. And this has long past speculation. We see it for a fact. We know the artists them we are by views. Yeah, we know the artists them we are by views. We not call them name, no share in the game. We know now by views and we don't care. No, we don't care. We stop listening to the song. There's no side to side go on. Because I need the back and forth. There's no side to side go on. You know what I mean? No tit for tat. We now said this true. You said that. You talk what you want to talk. Nobody now listening. And that is why them have no resort to buying views once again. Because they claim they're not going to stop buying views. You know? Yes, I talk that circulate. They say them hear the talk on the streets and them plan to stop buy views. It not work out. The songs nobody now pay attention to the content. So you know what go on? They may have to resort to buying views once again. Things slow down for them. Slow, right? It's slow. But now pay them music no attention. Remember, people already know so them are clout chasers. So we know say yo, we not gonna say things just to get a reaction from people. And then the people we are seek the reaction from stop give you that reaction you have no choice but to buy views at them last resort. But we are set, we're not buying the views. But yo, we're not ramp with the teacher Vivo page. No, nah, do. No, nah, do. Talk to me in the comment section. Comment section open 24/7, never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. For those who are new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But to like the reason, of course, to like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon right after that. Very important. I put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded. Until the reason again, live, love, and prosper.